Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. If you own a bike, this small but mighty bike pump from AIRBANK is going to be your new best friend. This pump is impressive because it comes with all the accessories you need, no matter what type of bike you own. We first of all tested this pump using my husband's road bike, which has a Presta valve. So you simply have to set the desired pressure you want for the tires. We set ours to 80 psi. You insert the pump and it automatically fills the tire, and then I love this feature, it shuts off once it reaches the desired pressure. You can hear now the sound it makes while filling the tire with air. It was very user-friendly, and we love the fact that it came with a hose attachment, which can be very useful in preventing any potential issues with overheating. We again tried this bike pump with a mountain bike, which has a Schrader valve. Again, it was very user-friendly. It filled the bike tire really fast, and we love the fact that it comes with a silicone case so you can protect the bike pump against any wear or tear. It's the perfect size. It fits in any bike bag, any saddlebag, and it's extremely lightweight. You can barely notice that you're carrying it. We love the fact that it included a pin, which was really great with inflating balls, a soccer ball, a football, a basketball. We just love the fact that it charges really quickly and that holds a charge for quite a long time. This bike pump just exceeds any other traditional, more bulky bike pump that you've used in the past. It gives you such a great peace of mind if you're biking far from home or outside the city. We were just so impressed with this pump. So with this bike pump from AIRBANK, you can enjoy those long bike rides with no fear of getting stuck with a flat tire. But that's just my point of view.